Anna University releases notifications for aspirants who are willing to take admission into postgraduate courses. It conducts TA and CET exam every year to contest admissions to courses such as MBA, MCA, ME or MTech, etc. It is a state-level exam that takes place across various cities of Tamil Nadu. Today we will talk about TA and CET exam for admission into MBA program. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and this is Youth for Work. If you want to know the eligibility, exam pattern and tips to crack the TA and CET MBA exam, then you must watch the playlist till the end. Now let us talk about the eligibility criteria for TA and CET MBA exam. Graduates from a recognized university with 50% marks in any discipline. Candidates in the final year of graduation are also eligible to apply for the exam. There is no general age limit for TA and CET MBA exam. Candidates from other states can also apply for the exam provided eligibility criteria will be decided by the university. Now let us discuss the exam pattern for TA and CET MBA exam. The exam will be conducted in offline paper and pen-based mode. The written test will consist of 100 questions with time duration of 2 hours. Questions will be asked from analysis of business situations, reading comprehension, quantitative ability, data sufficiency, and English. The questions will be of multiple choice and contain negative marking for every wrong attempt. Each question carries 1 mark and 1/5 of mark will be deducted for each wrong answer. The question will be asked in English language only. The link for the entire syllabus is given in the description below. Let us talk about a few tips and tricks for the TA and CET MBA exam. Make a practical timetable and prepare according to it. Work on quantitative ability and practice questions with a time limit. Practice sample papers or previous year papers. Read newspaper editorials regularly to improve your English. Practice questions on analysis of business situations and data sufficiency. Youth for Work provides Prep Guru app for free mock test. Use it for a regular practice. The link of the app is given in the description below.